not use them to fight with other Beyblade X. And see, still very weak. Okay, another one. The Dragoon. Ready, 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot. Okay, that's strong. That's strong, that's strong. But yeah, stamina. That's so good. Okay, so now, wow. I don't like this, but I still need to show you. I will use my 2 launchers right here. And I have a battle with your Draziel and Dragoon. Whoa, I don't really want to scratch the paints because I just really want to display them. But yeah, still, I really need to show you. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot! Shoot! Oh! What's that? Wait, let me check. Hey, 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 are you good? Are you good? Are you good? Are you good? Yeah, they're good. Yeah, they're good. Whew, I'm nervous, man. Thinking that they will break anytime. But yeah, let's go another one. Wow, that's a great battle. Even they're plastic, but plastic to plastic, that's a great one. Plastic still is plastic gem. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot! Shoot! Wow! Ooh! Ooh! And still, Dragoon wins. And that's a little bit nice. Wow! Yeah, let me check again. Oh, now there's some paints. Yeah, you can see that. Oh, but yeah, it's nice to display with some battle damage. See here, see here. Oh, that's it. That's the part. Oh, okay, that's the part. And last one. Yeah, this will be the last one. This will be the last one. Alright, because I don't really want to damage them more. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot! Shoot! Ooh! 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 And oh, still Tyson wins. Okay, so yeah, that's our fake Beyblade X. Yeah, fake Beyblade X. Bakutin Shoot Beyblade X version. Yeah, they're good. Not so good in performance. Yeah, not good. But if in display, they're very nice, man. Again, the paint job is very nice. Kudos for those the YCF toys, but still they're fake, so yeah, you cannot really expect a very nice performance with these Beyblades, okay? But still, they're Beyblade X and they're very nostalgic. Still, I will recommend them. If you want to buy them, then go. But for battling, no, you cannot battle them with the original ones, especially the metal ones, the